Today we're checking out the Red Rock OE style replacement soft top in black denim for the 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJs, but excluding the Unlimited. If you're looking for a high quality replacement for your worn or damaged factory soft top, this is going to be a great option that's going to offer OE style fitment, durability, and a nice refreshed look. This soft top is designed to replace the original factory style top, giving your Wrangler a fresh OEM-like appearance while maintaining the classic soft top functionality. It comes in this nice black, durable denim, which complements the Jeep's rugged aesthetic and adds a sleek little touch. The top is going to be precision cut for a perfect fit, ensuring a tight, secure seal against those elements to reduce wind noise and prevent any leaks. The included in the kit tinted windows are going to enhance the privacy and help reduce that glare with the sun, while the removable and zippered panels allow for easy open air driving when the weather is nice. This top is compatible with your existing factory hardware and the frame, making the installation seamless, and if you stick with me, we're going to show you that here in a minute. Made from very durable, heavy-duty denim fabric, this soft top is built to withstand various weather conditions, including that UV exposure, rain, or even extreme snow in the winter. The reinforced stitching is going to be sealed, and the seams provide additional durability, preventing fraying and leaks over time. The fabric is also going to be resistant to fading and stretching, ensuring a long-lasting and snug fit. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $300 price point, which is an affordable price for replacing your entire soft top and making it look like a factory new Jeep. Now, installation on this is just a straightforward soft top replacement, so we're rating this an easy 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in no more than 4 hours of your time. Now, let's head on out to the shop and they can give you a detailed walkthrough of how that install process goes.
For this install, you just need a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, so everyone putting a soft top onto our Wrangler. Now, as you can see, we are just a bare frame. We did not have an OE frame on this, so I had to put an OE one on. So it's just a bare frame right now, but we'll show you how to install your new top onto your frame. All right, so now we're gonna get our top and drape it over our frame so we get it attached to our front header panel. We can just lay that across for right now. We'll get inside and pull that across. All right, so we have our header panel folded back. Now we're gonna get our top and it's gonna slide over the edges and then line up. Now we have a bunch of screw holes going across the top. Once we get our ends lined up, we can go ahead and get this in place and start our screws. I'm just trying to get these all started, and then we're gonna tighten them down with a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, now we're just gonna go starting from our one side, continuing across. I got one just located in the center there. We'll just locate the rest of our screws. Definitely gonna need to be adjusted and pulled to the side, but we'll get that once we keep working this over. Get this side over. All right, just make sure our edges are over that front header panel, as you can see, and we can go ahead and tighten all of our Phillips head screws down now. All right, I'm just switching to a ratchet with a Phillips head bit just to make this go a little bit faster. So now we're gonna come to our back corner. We have this black edge here. Now it's gonna go under this lip. Just gonna pull that down, stretch it out, and fold that under. It's definitely difficult because it's being a new top, but just work it in. Then you can go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. All right, while we're at the back here, we're gonna lift up on our top. You'll see this flap hanging down with 3 buttons. That's gonna snap into our 3 snaps on either side. So just get those lined up and push them on. Now you see it's pretty loose now, but this definitely will tighten up once we pull that header panel forward. All right, let's do the same thing on the other side. All right, so we're gonna fold our header panel forward and get it latched into the front here on our windshield. Now take it slow since it's a nice new top, so that stretches. Get that hooks latched up here. Take it nice and slow. Fold them up. Now we just need to do our center Velcro. All right, so we have our center bar here. We just want to grab our Velcro, wrap it around, and then fold that down. It'll definitely stretch out, especially if you let this sit out in the sun a little bit. It'll make it a little bit easier and stretch. I unfortunately did not do that, so maybe come back after a day after it's sitting in the sun and just redo this so it's a little bit tighter. Just work that Velcro up and around. All right, so we're gonna get our back window into place. We're gonna start on our driver's side. You'll see your two zippers at the bottom here. Get that lined up and start it over here. There are two separate zippers, so make sure you get through them both. Just work this all the way around. That zipper all the way down. Now we're gonna see this seam going across here. Grab our rear crossbar. It's going to slide along that. It's gonna slide in like so. And that is going to flip over. You'll see this edge here with your rubber seal will go into the bottom part on the truck. Just fold that over and lock that in. Get these little flaps and fold them under that bracket. Now we can move on to our side windows. All right, now both our windows go on the same exact way. We're gonna start at the top here with our zipper. Get that lined up and in place. Start that, and then start your zipper. Work your way around. Make sure you get that bottom edge in the truck. Like I said, new top, definitely gonna be tight, so just work it down. Then we just have our Velcro at the top and on the side. Just secure that down. Go ahead and do the same thing for the window on the other side. And that wraps up our install of our Red Rock OE style replacement soft top, black denim for our 97 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ, excluding the Unlimited. And remember, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.